Community channel, community channel. The best place on YouTube.
Okay guys, this was like really fucking weird. So I'm out here and I'm just about to like just shoot some cans with like my BB gun and shit. And I come out here and before I get to shoot it, it explodes. And I got it on, I didn't get what happened on camera because I just didn't think it was gonna happen. But I'm gonna leave these out here and I'm just gonna set up a camera and just see like if anything bad happens. And I'd say that's pretty unexpected. To be honest, I don't know what to do about that. Can someone tell me, please? Because I know, like, this happens a lot. I think. That's the video. Good night. Dog Snout Community Channel, away.